Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are continuing the in Python Django interview questions for 2 plus 3 plus years of experience. Okay, next our next question is init method in Python. What is init method in Python? If interviewer ask, should able to tell the answer for this question. It is very simple. It is the basics of Python OOPS concept. We represent this init method with the definition underscore init underscore, and like this first argument is the self, the second arguments you can give like this. We represent init method. Init method, it is a special method. Name should be always init. It is a special method. Name of this method, this method should be like underscore init. No special call is required. Required calls when we create objects for this class. Okay, these two things are important. If you say these two things, then also it will be happy. Okay, these two things I will explain code level. Suppose, so I will write the code again. Suppose I'm taking class example def underscore init. Just I will pass something here. I want to print something. Print just I will print here. Okay, next I will create the one test object like t1 equal to example. I am created this this object here, object for example class, you can say. Then I will run the program here. What is the output? Output is a. For this, the output is a. Will clear. Will run program again. Output is a. Here we didn't call the class init, right? First, okay. Suppose I'm printing here 1 1 1, 4 ones. Then it is printing 1 1 a. Then a. Okay. Understand the flow. When we create the object, okay, when we create the object t1, test object t1 for the class example, then cursor goes to line number 1. Here just the definition, class definition, and it will goes to line number 2. So it will print this line. Okay. After that, it will goes to line number 3, definition, and 4. 4 is a. So in this way, first it will print a 1 1 1. After that, a. Okay, up to this clear. So okay, these are the explanation for this example. I want to clear drawings. So which, okay, suppose I am declaring some variables a equal to 1 2 3, a equal to 2 3 4, suppose. Then I want to print t1 dot a. We have the variable name is a, right? So here a printing. And what will be the output for this t1 dot a? What you are guessing here? You're guessing here output will be 4 times 1, right or not? 1 1, print goes to 1 1. Yeah, it will print 1 1. After that, this a, obviously. After that, t1 dot a is 1 2 3. So preference goes to this variable only. So for more understanding, I want to comment this to print statement. I will print, I will run the Python now. So answer is 1 2 3. Answer is 1 2 3 only. Reference goes to this static variable. This variable known as the class level variable or static variable. Okay. If I'm not giving the this self, okay, then what will happen? We will see now. Is giving throwing the error. Init method takes zero positional argument. Init takes zero positional argument, right? Then what? But one was given. But one was given. Who given? I didn't given right here. I didn't given any variable here, but it is throwing error as but given, but one was given. Here I am not giving any variable, but internally Python gives one variable. Whenever the init method is created, at that time, if init method is present in this class, at that time Python internally gives uh, one variable. That variable name is self or anything. You can represent here self one also, no problem, but you need to mention internally. Python internally internally provides one argument. Okay, now print. This is clear. Now no error. Okay, friends, after this clear, what is this self? Self means it is one argument. For instance method, for every instance method we need to use. To declare the variables, we use this self variable. Generally, we use the self instead of self1 or self2. Okay, clear? To find the current object. Self we use to find the current object only. Means t1. Okay. Then next. Okay, init method also known as constructor in Python. It calls automatically when object created for class. What is self? Self is the default variable which is always pointing to current object, like this keyword in Java. By using self, we can access instance variables and instance methods of object. Self should be first parameter inside the constructor. Yeah, self should be first parameter inside the constructor. Okay, friends. I think two questions we covered here. What is init method and what is self? Self is the default variable or default argument which given by the Python internally. We'll meet in the next interesting question.